guys, this is Jeremy from the TV Box Professionals, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and overview of the H9 mini keyboard. As you can see, this particular H9 keyboard has just been marketed by Tripsky. As you can see, it's black. I'll tell you right now, it's black. And the backlit, it's checked yes, so this one is going to be backlit. So I'm just going to pause the video here and take it out of the box. So inside, just the outer box, you'll find that there's another small white box, and this is what the keyboard comes in. So it is packaged quite well. Take out the keyboard, it's in a little electrostatic bag. Take it out, and as you can see, this one is the backlit version. You can tell because the keys are clear. So I just switched this on in the back, and now I'm just going to demonstrate the backlight on it. So there you go. You can use this at night in the dark. The backlight actually works really well, but it does kill your battery. So regardless, this mini keyboard is really fantastic. It is wireless. So if you open up the back, it's a lithium-ion battery. It comes also with a charging cable inside. There you go. You can plug it into any USB port. If you have a charger port for your phone, it's USB. You can charge this, or you can charge it on your Android box. You can charge it on your gaming console. These things work great with gaming consoles like Xboxes, PlayStations. You just take your dongle out of the back right there, and you plug it into your USB port, and once you turn your keyboard on, it's automatically paired. It's a very smooth, seamless process. The H9, I really like the H9. I like how it feels. I feel that out of all the mini wireless keyboards, you know, there's many to choose from. I find the H9 is really manufactured with better quality. I haven't had any problems with these breaking or being returned to us at the TV Box Professionals. My customers seem to really like this. So once again, this is Jeremy from the TV Box Professionals, and we just did an unboxing of the H9 mini keyboard. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.